Alright guys, let's get back into another one. I'm going to pick one from this writing linear equations worksheet. I'm just going to do number 1. So it says, write the slope-intercept form of the equation of each line. So, just need to remember that slope-intercept form of a line looks like y equals mx plus b. Okay. So our y and x are two variables, so what we need to find an equation of this form is to figure out the m and the b. Okay? Hopefully you guys remember that your m is the slope of the line. Okay? So it's going to be its rise over the run. So we need to find 2 points on our graph that are integer values, which means they go through the little intersection points on the graph. And so it looks like I've got one right here. And hopefully you guys see why it's awesome that we found that one. It's located on the y-axis, which will come in handy. And then, it looks like there's another point right here that we can pick. Okay, perfect. Okay, so we can go ahead and figure out our m now, now that we have our 2 points. So, first thing to do is look left to right. Is this graph inclining, meaning it's going up, or declining, meaning it's going down? And so as we go from left to right, so this way, it looks like it's declining. So we automatically know that it's a negative slope, okay? And now we can just count our rise and our run. So to get from this point to this point, well, we need to jump 1, 2, 3. Okay, so our rise is 3, and our run from here to here is 1, 2. Alright, so it looks like our slope is negative 3/2. Alright, and our b, well, hopefully you remember that is just the y-intercept. So it's where the graph crosses the y-axis. And as we saw a second ago, it crosses the y-axis at our first point that we chose, and that was at positive 4. Okay, so now we have everything we need. So let's go back on over here. Okay, so we said that our slope was equal to negative 3/2, and our y-intercept was equal to 4. Okay. So we can use those values to go ahead and write our equation. We had y equals m, negative 3/2, x plus b, 4. Go ahead and box that in there.